to the beach to explore. It is windy here, but it's also raining, I guess, on the side. That makes no sense.
Wait.
Literally, I'm 30 yards away from the beach. And "30 feet from the beach," metaphorically, not literally. And not a soul in sight. Oh, there's a Vista van. Probably doing some last rounds of the night. Oh, what a lonely night to be around. And a lovely night to be alone. We're just gonna go to the sign, touch the Westbrook Beach sign, and head back, because I don't know how long it's gonna take to get there. I've been filming for 2 minutes. Oh, jeez. Been spotted! No, it's okay. Oh, there's lightning. Okay. I think it's heading in the wrong direction. Might be heat lightning. That was a very short-lasting. Someone's watching a movie over there. We're just going to the beach. I don't think there's any point, but it's just for the hell of it. So see how windy it is. I know this is a 1/1.3 inch sensor, so this is not a great video, but ignore the quality. Just enjoy the walk. That dragon fruit mango drink, oh my god. That was really good, oh my god. Oh, I feel like I've walked a million miles today. But I guess I've taken... How far is the beach from here? I don't know. 15-minute walk. I'll make another part when I get to scooping slices. What I don't understand is who the hell is in the basement of this house. You can see there's a window with the light on. Who the hell's in there? Like, is it like someone maintenance, a security guard? Like, who wants to monitor an old 1800 house? No one's gonna break into it. It's a museum. Okay, man, scoops and slices. We're in the dark there, right there. Las Vegas to the beach. Bye.